Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Medium ads plus affiliate links for USA traffic, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Medium account if you don't already have one. Visit medium.com and click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to sign up using your email or social media account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Medium Partner Program page. Apply to join the program if you haven't done so already. This program allows you to earn money based on the engagement of your stories. Next, familiarize yourself with Medium's content guidelines and best practices. Create high-quality articles that provide value to your audience. Focus on topics that resonate with your target demographic in the USA. Incorporate affiliate links relevant to the subject matter within your articles. Choose affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and align with your niche. Sign up for these affiliate programs and obtain your unique affiliate links. Next, determine which Medium publications align with your content. Submit your articles to these publications for wider reach and engagement. Once published, analyze the performance of your articles. Utilize Medium's analytics tools to track views and engagement. Refine your content strategy based on these insights to improve future articles. Now, turn your attention to setting up Medium ads. Visit Medium's ad platform to create an account. Choose a campaign objective that aligns with your goals. Set your target audience parameters focused on USA traffic. Select optimal ad formats that suit your content style. Create eye-catching ad copy and visuals that entice potential readers. Link your Medium articles and affiliate links in your ads. Set a budget for your ad campaign, ensuring it aligns with your goals. Launch your ad campaign and monitor performance closely. Adjust your strategy as needed based on engagement and conversion metrics. Engage with your Medium audience by responding to comments on your articles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.